Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact position you intend to stop. Instrument, size, entry, and current P/L. Once done, confirm market status, hours, liquidity, and any breaking news that could widen spreads. Next, choose the order type you will use to stop the trade. A market order for immediate exit, a limit for price control, or a stop/OCO to combine stop loss and take profit. Make sure your platform and margin allow the exit before placing anything. You execute the controlled exit by placing the primary order first. Use a market order if speed matters, or a limit if price certainty matters. Once placed, add contingent orders, stop loss, OCO, or a trailing stop to prevent runaway moves. If the market is thin or volatile, reduce size or place a hedging position to mitigate slippage while you unwind. Make sure order confirmations appear and note expected fill conditions so you can react if execution deviates. You finish by confirming all fills in your trade blotter and account balance, check timestamps and executed prices against your intent. Once closed, cancel any remaining contingent orders so nothing triggers accidentally. Reconcile realized P/L and margin impact, and document what you did and why for future review. If something goes wrong, no fill or partial fill, contact your broker immediately, escalate with trade confirmations, and consider re-entering a scaled exit to reduce market impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.